Hey, bud. What are you doing? Oh, don't be angry. What were you doing? Were you feeding your friend? You found a new friend? Where is he? Where's your new friend? Is this your new friend? Is that your new friend? Were you feeding him? Huh? Aw, you're such a good boy. You feeding your friend? Huh? How about the other guy? You're not gonna feed the other guy? No? No, just the green one? Is that your friend? You found a friend? Yeah. He's so handsome. You're just so handsome. What? What? What are you doing? Huh? Hi? Go see friend. He's not back there. King Candy. King Candy. He's not back there. Oh, there he is. Come here.